Hey everybody, good afternoon. Are you guys able to hear me loud and clear? Alright, so what I have for you today is the third lecture on time and work. In today's lecture, we're going to discuss what combined efficiency is. Yes, and we're going to learn something about chain rule. Okay, before we move ahead with this, what I want you to know is we are done with the relationship between time, work and efficiency. We are done with understanding what individual efficiency is. We have discussed something called negative efficiency. Yes, all this is done. In addition to what we are going to cover today, combined efficiency and chain rule, along with this, we will also be looking at ratio of efficiency. Okay, so this is what we're going to do today. I hope you guys are all ready for this. My name is Amit Surana. I have over 7 years of experience teaching quantitative aptitude and I have trained over 2 lakh students so far. Please don't forget to follow #CAT Live daily on Instagram. Hi Janvi, hello Simranjeet, hello Millie, good afternoon everybody. These are the 2 Telegram groups that I'd like for you to join. Please join these Telegram groups to keep yourselves updated on everything that we have planned for your MBA prep. Yes, and these are all the ongoing batches. And this is an upcoming batch starting on the 12th of May, that is Wednesday. Supreme Weekday Batch 2.0, where I will be taking data interpretation. Ravi Handa sir from Handa Ka Fanda would be taking quantitative aptitude and Harpreet ma'am would be taking VARC. Right, this is starting on the Wednesday. If you would want to become a part of this batch, all you have to do is take the subscription of either Plus or Iconic, depending upon your requirements. You can take 24 12-month packages. Here also there are 24 and 12-month packages available. There are also smaller packages for you all you have to do is use my referral code Surana Live and you will get an instant discount of 10%. Yeah, that being said, let's begin, shall we? All right, hi Shivam, hello Sachin, hi Shreyashi, hello Shubham, hi, I'm not able to read your name, hello Regin, hi Priyanka, hi Sandeep, hello Manish, good afternoon everybody. Chalo, let's talk about chain rule. Okay, first let's try and understand this example, right? Let's read this example. What does it say? If 10 workers paint 10 floors working 10 hours a day. Okay, so what are they saying? 10 workers, yes, can paint 10 floors working 10 hours per day for how many days? 10 days, right? Now what I need you to, hi Ragib, hello. So what I have a question is, what about these 10 workers, right? These 10 workers, I have a doubt. Are all the 10 workers, let's say W1, W2, all the way till W10, right? Are all these workers working at the same efficiency? Do we know anything about these workers? Are they working at the same efficiency? Obviously not, right? It's humanly not possible, right? Practically it's not possible. Why is it not possible? That each person should be able to do the same amount of work in the same time. That's a little too much to expect from workers, correct? But see, let's say if you are a contractor, okay, you are a contractor and you take up 10 workers working for you, okay, you give a contract, you get a contract of 10 workers who work under you, okay. Now you can't sit and calculate what is W1's efficiency, what is W2's efficiency, what is W10's efficiency. Imagine if there were 100 workers, you can't sit and calculate each of their efficiencies, correct? So here the basic understanding becomes what? All their efficiencies are equal. Yes, due to a lack of, right, due to a lack of resources, right? You can't sit and do that. You don't have enough time to do that. So this is an assumption. I hope you are able to understand this, right? So the assumption is what? All 10 workers, same efficiency, equal efficiency. Got it? Hi Himanshu, good afternoon. Yeah, guys, say yes if you've understood this जल्दी से. अगर आपको ये समझ में आ गया तो एक बार हाँ बोल दो. Say yes. Okay. That being said, now what are they saying? They're saying that 10 workers who can paint 10 floors at 10 hours per day for 100 days, right? They want you to find out what is it that they want from us. They want us to find out how long will it take for 12 workers, yes, painting 12 floors, working 12 hours a day. How many days would it take? This is the question. Can you answer this? Do you think there is any logic that makes sense here? So let's do one thing, right? To make it a little simple, 10 hours per day for 10 days. Yes, 10 hours in one day for 10 days, can I say is nothing but 100 hours? Yes or no? We can say this is 100 hours, correct? Yeah. Looking at the lower case, looking at the lower part, what do you see? You see 12 hours per day for dash days. We don't know this. Okay. Now look at this. What is this? This is the number of workers. That is nothing but your efficiency. Flows is nothing but your work. And this 100 hours that we have is your time. In this case, it is how much? 12 into something, x days, right? So 12x hours. This is your time. Yes. Always know this, guys, always know this, that work can be represented in two forms. Yes, work can be represented in two forms. It can either be represented as a unit of work. Yes, whatever is the unit, in this case 10 floors, 12 floors, 20 floors, 30 floors in our example. Yes. The other way to represent work is using something called man days. Yes, man days. What do you mean by man days? Number of people working, number of workers multiplied by time taken. Yes, this is called your man days concept. Okay? So this is very similar to how, you know, our regular contractors say, right? Contractors क्या बोलते हैं कि ये वाला काम अगर 10 आदमी बैठ के 10 दिन कर लेंगे तो हो जाएगा, right? तो 100 आदमी वाला काम है basically, right? 100 people का काम है जो 10 आदमी मिलके 10 दिन में खत्म कर देंगे. Are you able to understand this, right? So using the same concept, we will be answering this question with something called the chain rule, right? So what does the chain rule say? According to chain rule, the ratio of man days, that is efficiency into time. Yes, the ratio of efficiency into time, or in this case, let's say number of people into time over the actual work. This ratio is always equal for every case. So case 1, if I say N1 T1 W1, this has to be equal to N2 T2 by W2. Are you able to follow this, guys? Prakhar, Propel batch, no, this is the first time we are covering chain rule in Propel batch. Yes. So what is the number of people in the first case? There are 10 workers. So 10 workers into, what is the time taken? Time taken is 100 hours. Yes. Over how many floors? 10 floors. Yes. This ratio should be the same in the second case also, which is 12 workers working for, we don't know, 12x hours divided by 12 floors. Understood? Yes. So now what happens? You get to cancel things out. Yes. So you end up getting x is equal to, what do you get? You get x is equal to 100 by 12, which is nothing but 25 by 3. That is 8 1 by 3 or 8.33 days. I hope you understood this. Yes, this is your chain rule. Any doubts here, guys? This is nothing but chain rule. Clear? Oh, sorry, yeah. Sorry, Sandeep. Yeah, this is beginners batch. In Propel batch, yeah, entire time and work is over. Sorry, Sandeep. Sorry, Prakhar. Flow mein confuse ho gaya. Done? So to sum things up, what is chain rule? If n people are working, n is the workers, yes, t is the time taken to do that particular work, and w is the work that is to be done, then the ratio of n t by w will be equal in all cases. That means n1 t1 by w1 will be the same as n2 t2 by w2, will be the same as n3 t3 by w3, will be equal to how many ever this goes on, right? So let's say n, if there are k number of people, nk tk by wk. Clear? Yes. What is it that you have to keep in mind here? What should you keep in mind? You should always keep in mind that unit of time must be the same in all cases. Number 2, same type of workers. Yes, same type of workers. That is something that is mandatory to be checked. In one case, if I say that there are 10 men working for 10 hours to build one wall, yes, I can equate, but I cannot say. So what happens here? Let's say, yes, working for 5 hours, make 12 walls. Yes, in this case I cannot cancel out 12, or if let's say for example if this was 10, yes, I cannot cancel out 10 men and 10 women. Please remember this, okay? 10 men, 10 women I can't cancel out, right? How much ever we fight for gender equality, they are not equal unless and until it is told. Okay, unless and until it is told, right? This is not equal to one child, it is not equal to one, I don't know, one printer printing something. Yes, so unless and until it is told, you cannot equate it, or unless and until you can find out, you can't equate their ratios. Done? Yes, different people have different efficiencies, different type of people have different types of efficiencies. Done? And again, same type of work also. I hope this is clear. Yeah, try this example now. Quickly try this example. You have some doubts in number system. Sandeep, you can send the doubts in the group itself, na, directly group में भेज दो doubt. टेलीग्राम पे ग्रुप पे भेज दो डाउट. तो अगर इन केस आई एम नॉट एबल टू आंसर योर डाउट्स, देयर विल बी अदर पीपल, अगर उन्होंने वो क्वेश्चंस कहीं पे देखे होंगे तो दे बी एबल टू डू इट. ठीक है? Prakhar, you can watch this. I don't think with L3 you wouldn't have covered chain rule, right? So you can watch this, don't worry. Try and watch, Prakhar. Live sessions are much better than recorded sessions, right? Keep that in mind. Live sessions पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दो. And guys, hit like on this video if you haven't already. Okay, Saurabh is saying 40. Madhav is saying 14.4. Any other answers? Any other answers, guys? 40 hours, 14.4 hours. Shreyashi is also saying 14.4 hours. Okay, very good. Aniruddha is also saying 14.4 hours. Cool, very good. So chalo, let's try and understand. Okay, case 1, 8 managers. Let me say one manager is M, so 8 managers. Yes, or what are they using? They're using or. What does or mean? Either 8 managers working or 12 managers working. So 8 managers working for 24 hours, 8 managers working for 24 hours is the same as 12 salesmen working for 24 hours. Yes, what am I equating? I'm equating work here. Are you able to understand? 8 managers for 24 hours is work according to the managers, and work according to the salesman is what? 12 salesmen working for 24 hours. So I'm equating this. So when I equate this, what happens? Since the time is same, I can cancel this off. The ratio becomes what? 2 managers are equal to 3 salesmen. Yes, 2 managers are equal to 3 salesmen. Okay, now what are they asking? They're asking in how many hours? What is the time when 6 managers, yes, 6 managers and 11 salesmen are working together? Yes, 6 managers and 11 salesmen. Please understand the difference. Here we had or. If it is or, it means what? Ya to 8 men or 12 salesmen, either 8 men or 12 salesmen. Here they are saying and. Yes, they are saying what? And. This is very different from or and that we do in permutation combination. अलग है, ठीक है? In time and work, ध्यान से सुन लो guys. Chain rule के हिसाब से or when you equate, and is when you add. Okay, please keep this in mind. Yes, so 6 managers and 11 salesmen should be able to do the same work, right? How many hours would it take? So I'm going to call it X hours. Yes, we need to find out this X. What do we know? Since they are doing the same work, right? Since they are doing the same work, can I directly equate this to one of these cases? Let's say 8 men working for 24 hours. Same work, na? Yes or no, guys? Sab same work hai. 6 men working for 11, 6 men plus 11 salesmen working for X hours will do the same work because the same product needs to be sold. Same product needs to be sold, right? So I can equate this. Yeah. What do I know? I know 2 managers are equal to 3 salesmen. 2 managers are equal to 3 salesmen. So I should either sit and worry about this or I should worry about this. So what am I going to do? Instead of 8 managers, I will take 12 salesmen. Yes. 6 managers become how much? 2 managers are 3 salesmen. So 6 managers become 9 salesmen. Agreed? Yes or no? 2 managers, 3 salesmen. 2 managers are 3 salesmen. So 6 managers are basically 9 salesmen. Correct? Into 3 into 3. So 9 salesmen plus 11 salesmen working for X hours can do the same work as 12 salesmen working for 24 hours. Yes, or 20s into X is equal to 12s into 24. Or what is X? X is nothing but 12 into 24 by 20. S यहाँ पे cancel हो गया. 12s, 20s cancel हो गया. Got it? Yes, so what is this? This is 5 times, this is 6 times, which is 72 by 5. That's nothing but 14.4 hours. Yes, so what is the answer to your question? Not 40 hours, 14.4 hours. Cool? Okay guys, आ रहा है क्या ये सब समझ में? 14.4 hours is right. Done? Chalo, let's try another example now. Here's another example. 4 trucks, 6 tempos, right? 4 trucks, 6 tempos can deliver a consignment. So the work given to them is what? To deliver a consignment. Yes. No issues सौरभ, कोई नहीं. पता चल गया कहाँ मिस्टेक हुआ तो बस. That's way more than enough. First step to learning something is to finding out where you made a mistake, है ना? Alright, guys, if you haven't hit like on this video, कर देना, like कर देना, okay? चलो try करो ये वाला. So I'll just write this down, okay? 4 trucks and 6 tempos can deliver a consignment in 8 hours. First case. Second case, they're saying 3 trucks and 7 tempos can deliver it in 10 hours. Madhav says 40. Madhav is saying 40. How about others? They're asking in how many hours will 10 tempos be able to deliver it. Aniruddha and Shreyasi are also saying 40. Very good. Others? So one thing we can do is to understand the relationship between a truck and a tempo. Yes, understanding relation between a truck and a tempo. What can we do? We can directly compare their work, correct? Their work will be equal because this guy is also, this team is also delivering 1 consignment and this team is also delivering 1 consignment, same work, right? So can I say 4 trucks plus 6 tempos, yes, working for 8 hours can do the same work as 3 trucks and 7 tempos working for 10 hours? Yes. On the other hand, what do you have? 4 times 5 times. Quickly multiply, you get 16 trucks plus 24 tempos will be equal to 15 trucks plus 35 tempos. Yes. Bring trucks to one end, tempos to the other end. 16 minus 15, 1 truck is equal to 35 minus 24, 11 tempos. Correct? Is this understood, guys? So we've gotten the relation. 1 truck is equal to 11 tempos. Yes. So with this, now if I start comparing, right, I can compare any of these. Let's say if I want to compare the first equation and the second equation, let's compare, or you know, second and third, that will be better. Compare second and third. So what is it? 3 trucks plus 7 tempos working for 10 hours can do the same work as 10 tempos working for X hours. Yes, I know 1 truck is 11 tempos, so 3 trucks will be 33 tempos. 33 tempos plus 7 tempos working for 10 hours is the same as 10 tempos working for X hours. Or what do you get? You get 40 tempos working for 10 hours is the same as 10 tempos working for X hours. टेम्पोस कैंसिल हो गए तो हमें पता नहीं अभी टेम्पो का क्या एफिशिएंसी एंड ऑल, बट टेम्पोस कैंसिल्ड, 10 कैंसिल. सो व्हाट डू यू गेट? You get X is nothing but 40 hours. Got it? Yes, this is nothing but chain rule. We are using chain rule. How are we using chain rule? See, number of people, number of workers into time, number of workers into time divided by the same work. No, same work. एक consignment को deliver करना है, right? One consignment. Here also one consignment. So this gets cancelled out. Same logic here also. Yes, we have one consignment here to be delivered, one consignment to be delivered. It gets cancelled out because equal. Cool. 40 hours is your answer. Okay, let's take up another question, but before that, please know guys, we are doing this weekly scholarship test every Sunday at 12 p.m. right? This is a free scholarship test where you get a chance to win a 1-year subscription free, or if you get a rank in the first 10 you get 75% scholarship, first 50 you get 50% scholarship, first 200 you get 25% scholarship. You can join in this particular quiz every Sunday by using my referral code Surana Life, or you can scan this QR code and get it done. Okay, chalo, let's get on with the next question now. Here's the next question. Read the question carefully. Hi, fantastic. Are you from Chennai? If you are from Chennai, then I'm not ever going to tell you where I am from in Chennai. Okay, Shreyashi is saying 4 days. How about others? Shreyashi says 4 days. Big fan, huh? Right. Thank you so much, man. Are you from Chennai? Vishal says 5 days. Okay, Vishal. Regin says 6 days. Okay. So we have 4 days, 5 days, 6 days. Anyone who wants to make it a round value and say 7 days. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, what are they saying? 6 big machines and 8 small machines can assemble a car in 10 days. Okay, they can do it in 10 days, while 26 big machines and 48 small machines can do it in 2 days. Yes, same one car assembly, one car's assembly. That means they are equal. Yes, and I can cancel this off. Yeah. Further, what are they saying? What is the time taken by 15 big machines and 20 small machines? What is the time? This is going to be X. To assemble the same one car. So one car got cancelled off. Yes. Now what do we have to do? We're going to have to find out the relation between a big machine's work and a small machine's work. Yes, big machine and small machine's work. Let's find out the relation. Let's compare these two equations. Yes, what do you get? 6 big plus 8 small working for 10 days can do the same work as 26 big plus 48 small for 2 days. So I can cancel this off. This is 5 times. If you further want to cancel something off, you can still take 2 common and cancel it out, right, before multiplying. That's up to you though, right? So if you want to, okay, otherwise let's go ahead. So 30 big machines and 40 small machines, yes, can do the same work as 26 big and 48 small. This is CS, small machines. Bringing all big to one side, 30 minus 26, 4 big machines, 48 minus 4, 8 small machines. What does this mean? This means one big machine can do the same work as 2 small machines. Yes, one big machine can do the same work as 2 small machines. Yes. Now, next step, let's compare this and this. So what would happen? You have 6B plus 8S working for 10 days, same as 15B plus 20S working for X. Yes. Cool. Now again, what do? Multiply inside, but before that, let's convert everything to small machines. Yes, or big machines, whatever you want to do. Yes, so two small machines are one big machine. So 8 small machines are 4 big machines. 4 plus 6, 10 big machines working for 10 days can do the same work as 15 big plus 10, 25 big machines for X days. Yes, this is 100, B cancel हो गया, ये 100 है, so X is equal to 4 days. Got it? What is X? Option A, 4 days. Cool. Hi Shiva, thank you so much, Pa. Global, you can. Yes, you can. Now you want a shortcut for this. इसका shortcut तो नहीं है, but you can save some time. Look at this. If you want to save some time, listen to this. ये वाला expression देखो. Focus on this expression and this expression. Okay. Just look at this and focus. So 6 big plus 8 small for 10. Yes. We are comparing this to what? 15 big plus 20 small, correct? So what I'm going to do is from 15 big and 20 small, yes, 15 big and 20 small, if I remove off 2.5, yes, remove off 5 by 2 from this equation. If I remove 5 by 2 from this equation, what will happen? 15 में से if I take common, 5 by 2 को अगर मैं common ले लूँ, तो this equation becomes what? 15 divided by 5 by 2 is what? 6 big. Same way 20 divided by 5 by 2 is what? 8 small. Are you able to notice this? 2 by 5 times. So 2.5 times or 5 by 2 times, either which ways. Yes. तो अब देखो, same 6 big machines, 6 big machines, 8 small machines, 8 small machines. Yes. 5 by 2 times करने पे 10 days हो रहा है, तो time क्या हो जाएगा? Divide by 5 by 2, which is basically 20 by 5. 4 days. Shortcut. Okay, Saurabh? Does this work for you? Shortcut. Whatever I'm doing in green is shortcut. Okay. But this particular scenario is very, very rare. Okay. This kind of a scenario is rare, but if it does happen, you don't have to do all of this. ये पूरा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ये करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Don't have to do any of this. Directly look at the numbers, see if you can take something out common and compare. That's it. Okay. लास्ट वाला नहीं है, शॉर्टकट आ गया ना समझ में, बट चलो तो ठीक है. इधर विच वेस, ये वाले में देखो, ये वाले में देखो, राइट. 8 स्मॉल 48. सो इफ आई टेक 6 कॉमन, 26 का 6 नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज 6 into 6 is 36, राइट. सो यहाँ पे मैच नहीं कर रहा है. यू कांट डू दिस विद शॉर्टकट, बट इससे और इसके साथ आप कर सकते हो. दिस इज यू नो कोइंसिडेंस. ठीक है, शॉर्टकट बाय कोइंसिडेंस. हुआ तो ठीक, नहीं हुआ तो फिर जनरल सॉल्यूशन से करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। चलो ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन ना रियल क्विक। ये क्या हो रहा है? सौरभ चोपड़ा, Saurabh Fantastic are saying 150. Okay. How about others? Shreyashi is saying 150. Superb. Anyone else? John says 150. Beautiful. Very good, John. Ranjini says 150. Shiva says 150. Very good, super. Okay, so here what we are going to do, see, contractor hires 15 workers who can work 4 hours a day, 4 hours a day for 25 days. Yes, to build a bridge of width 120 feet. What is the width of the bridge? 120 feet. What is the length of the bridge? 10 feet. What is the height of the bridge? 14 feet. So what are we comparing? We are basically comparing the volume of the bridge. Volume of the bridge, considering that the bridge is a rectangular shape and not something like this, right? Bridge is a cuboid, assuming we are directly going for the volume. Yes. So work to be done is basically volume of the bridge. So if I compare this to the other scenario where they're talking about 12 workers being hired to work for 5 hours for X days, yes, to build a bridge that is 600 feet wide, 14 feet in length and 12 feet in height. Got it? So we're basically comparing this. They're asking how many days, what is the value of X. So work can take up any form, right? Work can take up any form. You don't have to have work in terms of unit work, right? जैसे यहाँ पे volume of the bridge becomes the work. Clear? So what are we going to do? We're going to start cancelling things off. 14 cancel हो गया. 12 and 120, this is 10 times 10, 10, 100, cancelled with 2 zeros here, this is gone. What do you have in the numerator? This is once, this is twice, 5 and 25 kar lo, 5 times. Yes, so what is X? X is basically this 2 with 4 twice, 10, 150 days. Yes, simple straightforward question, nothing to do, directly use chain rule, that's it. Got it? In this case, the only thing that we had to understand was that the work is nothing but the volume of the bridge, that's it. Cool? John, time and work is extremely important. Time and work is extremely important. You can expect, so on total on 26 questions, arithmetic, you can expect somewhere about 8 to 10 questions. Yes, 8 to 10 questions in arithmetic, under which about 40% can be given to time and work and pipes and cisterns. Yes, so you can expect about 3 to 4 questions, or 2 to 4 questions from time and work and pipes and cisterns. Same concept there basically. Cool. All right. Now before we move on, guys, please notice that there is a way in which you can get additional discount apart from getting a discount by using my referral code Surana Live. Just say you get 10% discount. You can also get another discount by buying 6 month subscription, and you will be getting 1 month extension free. Yes, so if you buy 6 months, yes, you get 1 month extension free. That means you just have to pay for 6 months to get 7 months ka subscription. Got it? ठीक है? Another form of getting discount. So you'll basically get about 1/7, 14% additional discount मिलेगा आपको. Discount. Okay. Chalo, now let's move on to the next concept, which is ratio of efficiency, right? Just like how we used ratio earlier, है ना, chain rule में जहाँ पे अपन ने ratio use किया था, that one big machine can do the same work as 2 small machines, blah blah, वैसे वाले questions. Yes. So to understand ratio of efficiency, right, let's start doing it first. एक example लेके देखेंगे and we will understand the concept, right? So read this. Peter is 30% more efficient than Quinn. Yes, so if we are looking at efficiency, what are they saying? Peter is 30% more efficient. 30% is 3/10. Yes, so more efficient, that means Quinn's efficiency 1 plus 3/10. Yes, which is how much? 13/10, or 1.3 times in percentage, 1.3 times, yes, of Quinn's efficiency. They're saying how many months will they working together take to complete a job which Peter alone could have done in 23 months. Yes, so what are they saying? They're saying there's a job that Peter could have done it in 23 months. Yes, Peter working for 23 months. The same work they have to do working together, Peter and Quinn, for X days. Are you able to understand? I hope this is clear for you all, right? So if you want to convert everything in Quinn, do it, or if you want to convert everything to Peter, take this to the other side. Either which ways, what would you get? You would get 13/10 times Quinn's efficiency into 23. What is Peter? 13/10 of Quinn's efficiency plus Quinn's efficiency for X days. Yes, so this is what? 13 into 23/10 should be equal to 23/10 into X. Understood? I'm just adding this. Yes, 10 cancel हो गया, 23 cancel हो गया. What do you get? X is equal to 13 days. Say yes if you are able to understand this. 13 months, sorry, not days, months. Got it? Yes. A lot of questions coming in. Hi Code Academy. Hello Ramchandra Kataria. Ramchandra, CAT के forms towards the end आएंगे. You will start getting CAT के forms in the month of June, July. Yes. Could you tell me what we have done till now? We have done a lot of things: percentages, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, ratio, proportion, averages, mixtures and allegations, and now we are doing time and work. ஐயோ சிவா இல்லப்பா, அந்த கம்பேரிசன்லாம் பண்ணிடாதீங்க. Okay, are you clear with this question? Okay, now there's another way of looking at it, right? Another process of looking at it. If I'm saying Peter is 30% more efficient than Quinn, right? Peter is 30% more efficient than Quinn. That means Peter to Quinn, there is an increase of 3 by 10. Agreed? If there is an increase of 3 by 10, can I say from Quinn to Peter, there will be a decrease of what? 3 by 13 decrease? Say yes if you understand this. Say yes if you understand this. P to Q, there is a 30% increase, correct? That means Q to P comparatively, there's a 3 by 13 decrease, correct? A by N rule. Correct? So with this being known to us, what are they saying? If Peter takes 23 months, yes, if Peter takes 23 months, yes, then Peter and Quinn is what? 3 by 13 less than 3 by 13 less than Quinn, that is what? Than Peter, sorry. So 10 by 13 of Peter for 23 months, correct? Now if I add this up, what do I get? I get 23 by 13 times Peter's efficiency would take 23 months, or Peter would take 13 months. Yes, this is not just Peter, right? This is not just Peter, this is what? Peter as well as Quinn, right? Combined efficiency. Understood? I hope this helps you out here, right? I hope this is clear for you. It's just a different approach of this, that's it. Okay? Chalo. Let's try another example here. So there is a competition going on within the White House. Joe and Kamala. Quickly try this. $22.5, everybody beautiful, very good. Aniruddha, fantastic. Shreyashi, very good. John, how about others? Others? So what are they saying? Joe is 3 times as efficient as Kamala. Yes, 3 times as efficient as Kamala. Okay, he is able to clean the house in 60 hours less than Kamala takes. Yes, so if I say Kamala takes X hours, yes, then Joe takes what? X minus 60 hours. Yes, to clean the house. Okay, if Joe and Kamala work together, how long will it take them to clean the house? This is the question. If both Joe and Kamala are working together, how long would it take? Okay, so what are we going to use here? We're going to use this, right? Ratio of efficiency. Ratio between Joe and Kamala. Okay, so what are they saying? Kamala's efficiency, in case of efficiency, Kamala's efficiency is 1, Joe's efficiency would be 3. Agreed? Because Joe is thrice as efficient as Kamala. If Kamala can do 1 unit per hour, Joe can do 3 units per hour. Correct? Yes. Then what will be the ratio of time? Inversely proportional. Efficiency inversely proportional to time. So efficiency ratio of time is what? 1:3. Yes, and what are they saying? They're saying the difference in the time is 60 hours. Difference in the time is what? 60 hours, correct? X and X minus 60. 60 hours ka difference hai. That means 1 minus 3, 2 parts, 3x minus 1x. 2 parts is 60 hours. or one part is 30 hours. Agreed? So what do you get? You get Kamla can do a work in 90 hours. Joe can do it in 60 hours less 30. This is what? 1 into 30, 30. 3 into 30, 90 in terms of hours. Are you able to understand this? So now you basically have to just work this out. That's it. If I consider one house is 90 seats, 90 units, then Kamla can do 1 unit per hour and Joe can do 3 units per hour. Look at the ratio of efficiency, 1:3. Yes. Overall doing 4 units per hour to do 90 units. To do 90 units at 4 units per hour, they're going to take how much? 22.5 hours. Clear? Yeah? I hope this is understandable. Yes, what needs to be understood, that if you want to do it in ratio, this would be your case. If you want to do it in equations, this will be your case, right? But better than equation is ratios. Use ratios first. This is your first priority. If you're not able to understand it through ratios, then you go for equations. Okay? Yes. One last example. Quickly try this out. Saurabh. House, जिला, country सब साफ कर दिया उनने. Yeah, try this out now. Anybody? Okay, Aniruddha says B, 6 hours. All right. How about others? Shreyashi says B, very good. So look at this, they're saying what? X takes twice as much time as Y or thrice as much time as Z. This is time, okay? Please be careful. Time है ये, efficiency नहीं है. Can't directly equate it. Time है. Yes. They're saying working together, they can finish the work in 2 hours. Okay. So look at this. If X in case of time, okay, this is all time. Yes. X takes twice as much time as Y. So can I say Y takes half the time as X? Yes. Same way for time, they're saying X takes thrice as much as Z. So Z takes 1/3 of X's time. 1/3 of X's time. Yes. That being said, let's look at this. So if I say X takes X hours, Y takes how much? X by 2 hours, and Z takes how much? X by 3 hours. Correct? X hours, X by 2 hours, X by 3 hours. Yes. They're asking how long will it, if they can work together in 2 hours, if all three working together, X, Y and Z, all three working together, they do the work in 2 hours. Yes. They're asking about Y. So we basically just have to find X, which way we can find out X by 2 also, right? So do the same process, LCM, X, X by 2, X by 3. I want a number that gives me what do you say, a number that gives me integers, right? I don't want fractions, I want integers. Yes, so if I take x hours, sorry, x units, work is x units. Yes, what is efficiency? X by x, 1 unit per hour, x by 2, 2 units per hour, x by 3, 3 units per hour. Correct? Yes, so overall, what is their efficiency? Overall efficiency 6 units per hour. So time taken to do x units at an efficiency of 6 units per hour is how much? 2 hours. Do you agree with this? Guys, do you agree with this? So what is x? 6 into 2, 12 hours. Yes, don't jump for 12. 12 is x का time. x नहीं पूछा है हमसे, क्या पूछा है? y का time पूछा है, which is what? x by 2. So y is 12 by 2 hours, which is 6 hours. Got it? Yes, so what I did was I assumed the work to be x. Efficiency is always work upon time, work upon time. Got it? Done, everyone? I hope that's clear. Chalo, this is your homework question. Take a screenshot of this. This is your homework question. We will be discussing this tomorrow. Yes, 11th May को हम discuss करेंगे इसको. You can also discuss your homework questions on the Telegram group, Surana Live CAT. Okay? Done? Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget, today at 8 p.m. we will be starting with permutations. Yes, we are starting with permutations. First lecture on permutations. We've already done intro to modern math. We have looked at the difference between permutation, combination, basic principles of counting. We are done with this. This is what happening. It's what is happening today, 10th May. Yes. If you haven't done earlier classes, don't worry. If you haven't done this or this, don't worry. You can still join. We will be discussing some important areas of permutations, linear permutations, with repetition, without repetition, and so on, right? Duplicates, non-duplicates, all of them. Yes, iconic subscription is available, guys. And use this to get a personal mentor who will help you at every step of the way. These personal mentors are IIM graduates, top B school graduates, and they'll help you out in understanding any queries, any questions that you have. Yes, don't forget to use Surana Live to join in my DI ka batch starting on 12th of May, Wednesday. Yes, before 12th of May, le lo subscription, right? If you want, you can take 6 months ka subscription, which will cost you 14,760 to get 1 month ka free. Yes, which is this one. 3,690 ka aapko discount milega, right? So you basically get a discount of 3,690 and you will get a 10% discount if you use my referral code Surana. Yes, thank you very much, guys, for being a part of this session. I will see you all tonight at 8 p.m. for our session on permutations. Kush, hi Kush. There's no harm in not expecting it. I understand 6 months may seem a little too less, right? But you can still give it a shot. Think it could work out. Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Keep learning. I'll see you all tonight at 8 p.m. Keep learning. Let's crack it.